How to activate Overstock Mastercard. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can easily activate your Overstock Mastercard. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go to your web browser and then simply click on the search bar and search for Overstock Mastercard or Overstock credit card login. Hit enter and then click on the first link that you see, Overstock credit card, sign in or apply online. And in order to activate your card, you're going to have to enter your user ID, then your password. And if you want the browser to remember your login info, check this box and click on the sign on button. And if somehow you forgot your username and password, click on this button to recover it. Now, once you log into your account, you'll have an option for your credit card information. Just go right there. And if you haven't already, you'll see an activate button right beside your credit card. You can use that to activate your Overstock credit card. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.